After 151 days in the custody of federal government security forces, the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory on Wednesday granted conditional bail to former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele. Despite the federal government's strong resistance, the Attorney General of the Federation and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) allowed Emefiele to return home and prepare for his November 15 arraignment. The bail was granted by Justice Olukayode Adegbola Adeniyi, who based his decision on the fact that Emefiele had remained in government custody for longer than the time allowed by law. The judge also based his decision on the fact that the federal government had completed its investigation into the allegations against the former CBN governor.
We thank the agencies of government, the DSS, the EFCC and the Ministry of Justice and the federal government generally for complying with the order of court that was made on the 2nd and reiterated on the 8th to produce the Mr. Emefiele in court. Now he was produced in court, and if you recall, part of the order was that he was produced for the purpose of being admitted to bail. The court has admitted him to bail, and the terms have been perfected, and he's free to go home. Because we've dealt with the fundamental right issues. The court has given us an added obligation, and we are going to ensure that that is carried out. What the court did was to ensure was to state that all of us are players in the administration of the criminal justice system, and we have a key role to play in ensuring that everything moves smoothly. So we thank the court for what has happened, and on the 15th of November, that's a different ballgame. He'll be in court. He has given us that assurance.
The EFCC, through its counsel Farouk Abdullah, insisted that Emefiele had not spent 3 months in its own custody and urged the courts to decline the bail request. Counsel for the applicant, on the other hand, interrupted the federal government's opposition, adding that the claim of likelihood of interference in arraignment was speculative because his client hadn't been classified as a flight risk, and he told Justice Adeniyi to disregard the EFCC claim.